One of the key difficulties in Active Directory auditing is that the native auditing really only provides this event viewer tool for viewing things. Still, it's not completely without some benefits. For example, one trick with auditing is, especially with Active Directory, the fact that all of your different domain controllers maintain their own audit logs. Well, with subscriptions and event forwarding, it is possible to have all of your domain controllers forward all of their events to one central location. That overcomes one of the major challenges with Active Directory auditing, which is if you're trying to look for a particular event, you have to scan through the logs on every domain controller. Using event forwarding, you can at least get everything into one place. Once it's in one place, you can use the capabilities built into the event viewer to do some very basic kind of filtering and reporting. For example, you can create custom views. Now, the neat thing about a custom view is that it not only provides all of this search criteria, but it can drag events from multiple different logs. For example, if you look at one of the built-in custom views, administrative events, this collects critical error and warning events from all different administrative logs. Now, it's still not the type of report that you would print out and send to somebody, but it at least provides a way to consolidate information all in one place. And of course, if you're dealing with a single log, it's still possible to apply a filter to it. This way you can look for a particular event ID, or perhaps just look for events that have a particular keyword, such as a username, somewhere in the event data. It is a little bit difficult to do any kind of really robust searching across these things. Another problem, for example, is that these logs are not designed to maintain long-term archival data. Typically, you would configure them to roll over perhaps once a day, or roll over to a new log once the log reaches a certain maximum size. A lot of organizations simply let there be one log, say for the security log, and they allow older events to be overwritten by newer events, which means you actually lose stuff. All of those can be problems for long-term reporting. Even if you do allow the log to roll over into a new log file, you still have the problem of having to attach all of the old ones if you want to search through them. So again, it's a little bit awkward, but there are certainly things you can do with the native technology to give you a little bit of what you're probably after.